Most people spend hours setting up GoHighLevel voice agents for every single business. But what if you could turn your voice agent into a plumber, lawyer, roofer, or any industry in just minutes? Well, in this video, I'm going to be giving you my free framework to do just that. Okay, so we're going to come into high level. To change your AI voice agent into any industry, the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to come to AI agents and we're going to have to go to voice AI. Now, this video could save you hours, if not days worth of time. It's something I use all the time. It is extremely effective. And really what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be taking AI agents and changing them into any niche very quickly while saving the settings we have. Now, I want to let you know this video is not going to be an AI voice agent tutorial. I will be linking that video at the end, so I have you covered. This video is strictly going to be taking the AI voice agents you have and changing them into any niche. That's the goal. So you can just move through this process very quickly for any industry you're working with. So the way this process works is we're going to be duplicating AI voice agents. Then we're going to be using these two prompts that I have. Okay, they're completely free right down below. They're yours. You don't have to pay me a thing. Okay, you don't even have to sign up for my affiliate. They're yours completely for free. And these are what's going to make this process move lightning quickly. Now, I want to let you know before we jump in, if you have any questions at all, at any time during this video, drop them in the comments down below and I will answer personally. All right, so first step is we're going to duplicate or clone the AI agents. So you're going to click these three dots and we're going to click duplicate. This is really important because we want to save the settings that you have. So what we're going to do is the very first part, which is just switching the names and business names. So this is a realty site. We're going to change this from Mary, okay, and we're going to make this a landscaping site. So we're going to call it Mary's Landscaping. That's going to be the goal. Okay, again, when you clone or duplicate the AI voice agent, all of the other settings, the voice, the advanced settings will all stay the same. So again, that's how we make this process fast. If you do not know what any of this means, watch the video at the end of this video because that's going to guide you through this, but I'm assuming you already know. So once we have this dialed in and we have the exact name and everything we need, you come right down here and we're just going to click Mary's Landscaping. And then we're going to do this is Mary. Again, you can change this to whatever you want, but again, we're going to take the exact initial message you have and just copy that in. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click save and we're going to move on to next, which is agent goals. Now, this is where the fun begins. So first step is we are going to change this prompt like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this exact prompt that I have for you. I'm going to get this just like this. Okay, you're going to copy it. You're going to bring it right into Chat GPT. So first thing we're going to do is bot name is going to be Mary. Company, okay, this is going to be Mary's Landscaping. Business type, landscaper. You're just going to fill this out just like I have. All the things we have in here. Making lawns pretty. Again, go right through and put it all in here. Everything that we have. And what it's going to do is it's going to change across the board. So do not worry. But it's really important that you get these first ones correct. So then we're going to do lawn mowing, weed eating, pruning. Whatever services you offer, you're going to put them right in here. Personality. Again, this is a good one. We want to do bubbly and friendly. Okay. Tone, caring, and professional. Guys, believe it or not, this makes a lot bigger difference than you think. So we want to have that in there. And then right here, you can put whatever you want. Cared for or validated is another one. And then this last one you can put in. This is just how it ends the call. So we're just going to do have a fantastic day. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click enter. Now what this is going to do is this is going to spit out all of the right copy for us to then take, plug right back in here and be done. I mean, you even saw how quick that was. I was literally sitting there, okay, and I was talking about it, and I was able to do it in under a minute, even though I was talking to you. So what I'm getting at is once we get this, you can change the agents like that. And guys, real quick, while this is loading, it actually looks like it's probably already done. This is a way where you can get your workflow down by a lot. Whether you're building this out or your employees, whoever you have working on this, this will just make everything move much quicker when you're selling AI voice agents. So we're going to take all this. We're going to copy this, and we're just going to come right in here. We're going to get rid of this, and we're going to paste all of this, just like that. Then what we're going to do, once we have all of that in here, we are now going to click save. Okay, we're not done yet, though. All right, so that is the first part, but now we need the right knowledge base because the knowledge base we have here is for Evercrest Realty. We want to change that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come right up to knowledge base and we're now gonna do the knowledge base part. So we're gonna click create knowledge base and we're gonna do Mary's landscaping knowledge base, okay, whatever you want to put in there, and we're going to create, because now what we're going to do is we're going to create the knowledge base where it pulls the data from really quickly with my other prompt. Okay, so this is where we get really, really clean with this workflow. Guys, I'm letting you know right now, this saved me a ton of time, and I'm giving it to you because I hope it can save you time because it really saved me a ton of time. Now we're going to do my little knowledge base hack. We're going to come to websites. We're going to click new website. We're going to click from blank. We're going to do Mary's knowledge base. Okay, we're going to click create. We're then going to click add new page. We're just going to do Mary's knowledge base. We're going to click create new page. Then we're just going to do from blank. Then what we're going to do, once this pulls up, we're going to go back to this prompt again, free right down below for you guys. Save me a ton of time. We're going to copy this. We're going to come back into ChatGPT. We're going to paste this. We're then going to come right up here and we're going to insert the niche landscaping, and we're going to click enter because now this is going to train it on landscaping, because the first prompt we did with this is just showing it and teaching it its personality, how it operates and all this stuff. But with this prompt, this is what's going to train it on being smart with landscaping. So boom, now that we have this, we're going to come right in here and we're going to get all of this because this is going to make it trained on it. So then what we're going to do, we're going to come back to this page we pulled up. We're going to do insert element. And we're going to come right in here and we're going to do paragraph. You could do H1s, H2s if you want, but we're just going to take this bad boy and we're just going to paste it in just like that. Simple as you like. We're then going to click save, okay? So all we're going to do once we have this page here is we're going to copy this. You don't even need to have this be a live domain. We could, but I'm just showing you the easiest way. So we have that copied. Then we're going to come right back. We're going to come back to AI agents, come to knowledge base, Mary's landscaping knowledge base, add source, web crawler, exact URL, paste, extract data, and we are done. Boom, look at that. It has now been trained on the knowledge base. But now what we have to do is we have to go back to AI agents. We have to come back to voice AI. We have to come to agent list. We have to go to Mary, our new agent, agent goals, knowledge base, Mary's landscaping knowledge base, save, and we are done. That's it. It is that simple of a process. That has now changed this entire bot into a landscaping bot. I use this myself all the time, guys. These are the exact prompts, I'm not even kidding you, that I use to get this done. And they are yours free right down below. I'm telling you, having a smooth, clean, operationalized workflow is everything in the high-level game. If you want to scale quickly, you have to have things that move quickly and effectively. And this does just that. But now what I want to do, because you might be looking at this like, this is pretty cool, but, you know, he just slapped it up. Does it work? Well, I'm going to demo this for you right now to prove to you that this change actually works. But before I do that, I just want to let you know, if you are interested in high level, I have a 30-day free trial link down below. And when you sign up with that, you're going to access to me, a bunch of my bonuses, snapshots, one-on-one help from all the coaches in the group, and a bunch of other stuff. Again, if you click the link down below, you'll see all the bonuses we have out. No one gives away more stuff than I do. We have the most help, the most hand-holding. It is incredible. I also believe we have the most video testimonials and case studies because, well, in my opinion, we do a lot. I'm also a multiple award winner, as you see right here. This is a new plaque I just got. I have one behind me. So I do know what I'm doing. I am pretty good at GHL, at least I think I am. But I also have the awards to kind of tell me that every day. But if you're interested in that, the link is right down below. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to demo the AI voice widget live. So what I could do is I could do the test call, but a lot of people will say, the test call is not the real thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually plug this into a voice widget really quickly. You don't have to do this part, and show you that this actually works. I'm going to come right to chat widget. Okay, I'm going to come to Olivia. Guys, again, you don't have to do this. This is strictly for the test. I'm going to make this Mary, and I'm going to change this to Mary. Change it up to Mary. Okay, we saved that. We got the name back in. We're going to come right back to sites, come to real estate apartments, come to settings, come right here. We're going to click Mary, who I just changed. Again, guys, you just saw what I did. I went through, I quickly added, this is the exact AI voice agent I just created. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it live so everyone can see if this thing really works. I changed it completely from real estate, which is what this was. If we go right back here to AI agents, okay, this was a real estate agent, which was Olivia. You'll see in here, it's off Evercrest Realty, completely different. I did this exact workflow on this, except I turned it to landscaping. So we're going to come in, we're going to click this right here, and we're going to click this.
Hello, you've reached Mary's Landscaping. This is Mary. How can I help you today?
Hey, Mary, how you doing? I am looking to get my lawn mowed, my bushes trimmed, and my roses pruned.
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. It sounds like you're looking for a full refresh for your lawn. Lawn mowing, bush trimming, and rose pruning. We can absolutely help with that. Would you like to book an appointment?
Yes, please.
All right, let's get that set up for you. Do you have a specific date or time in mind, or should I check our earliest availability?
Check your earliest availability. I also have one quick question for you after you go through the availability.
Great news. We have some openings today, December 8th. Here are the earliest slots available. 3:30 p.m., 5:30 p.m., 7:30 p.m.
7:30 p.m. 7:30 p.m. is perfect, Mary.
Perfect. I'll lock in 7:30 p.m. for you. Could you share your email address so I can confirm the appointment?
Yes, it'll be declanthewizard123@gmail.com.
You're all set. Your appointment is confirmed for today, December 8th at 7:30 p.m. We'll take care of your lawn mowing, bush trimming, and rose pruning. You mentioned you had a quick question. What can I help you with?
Yeah, so I'm just curious as to what will happen when you guys show up. Like, do you guys have a full team? How does this work? Do I do a consultation first? Like, what's the process?
When our team arrives, here's what you can expect. 1. Consultation. We'll start with a quick walkthrough of your lawn to assess the areas needing attention. This ensures we understand your preferences and any specific requests you might have. 2. Team setup. Depending on the scope of work, we may have a small team or a couple of specialists. They'll bring all the necessary tools and equipment for lawn mowing, bush trimming, and rose pruning. Thing 3. Execution. Once everything is clear, we'll get to work. Our team will handle the task.
Hey, that's perfect. That's perfect, Mary. I believe you. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you later, Mary.
You're very welcome. Your appointment is all set for 7:30 p.m. today. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon.
Bye-bye. Boom. Done and dusted, just like that. That is the AI Voice Agent. We set up in minutes. All we did was clone it, change out the details with these two amazing free prompts, which are right down below, okay? And we ended it. That's it. I mean, it works very well, as you see. I went through the entire process, asking it questions, booking appointments. I even went into trying to get it to talk to me later. I said a question later, and it remembered. Guys, this is the future. These things are awesome. And this exact workflow I have for you can be a game changer. So use it because I'm giving it to you for free. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got a lot of value from this. If you have any questions at all, drop them down below. I will answer personally. If you are interested in high level and learning more about it and getting all these amazing goodies that I give away, click the link down below and sign up because I think you're going to love it. But more importantly, I'm going to be linking the video, like I promised at the end. It's going to be the full tutorial on GoHighLevel AI voice agents. Okay, start to finish, the whole 9 yards. I'm talking everything from setup to going from inbound to outbound and to all kinds of other stuff, even selling it. That video is linked at the end of this one, and I'm telling you, it will give you everything you need to get started with AI voice agents. So thanks again for watching, and watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.